In this video, I will be showing you how to make YouTube thumbnails on Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva homepage, I move my cursor up to the top left corner and click on the Create a Design button. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select YouTube Thumbnail under the Frequently Used section. This immediately opens a brand new, blank project canvas set to the standard 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. Once the editor workspace loads, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar menu. Instead of choosing a manual template, I scroll down and click on the Canva AI tool to open the Generative Design Assistant panel. Inside the text box where it says Describe your idea, I type in my detailed design prompt. For this thumbnail, I request a professional background with clean, bold white typography on a dark navy background that says, "Buy now," along with a 3D glass textured arrow pointing upwards with glowing green light. Once the prompt is set, I click the purple arrow button to start generating the design. Canva AI now processes the prompt and creates the visual composition. As shown in the side panel, it works through brainstorming the creative direction, mapping out the layout, and finalizing the visual elements to match the description. As soon as the generation finishes, the complete design appears directly on the canvas. It features bold, readable text and a sharp glowing green graphic tailored for high click-through visibility. Finally, I collapse the side panel to review the clean layout across the full screen. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make YouTube thumbnails on Canva.